Okay, so welcome back to my channel, Higher Mathematics, and really interesting exponential equation today, 81 to the power x equal to x to the power 18. So how can we solve this challenge? In this video, I'm going to fully explain you how can we do this, and I'm going to show you two methods how can we solve this challenge. So let's start with the first method. So right here we have first method, right here first method. First methods. Let's rewrite our challenge. So we have 81 to the power x equal to x to the power 18. Okay, here is our challenge. First of all, let's raise both sides to the power 1 over x. Okay, so on the left hand side, let's raise both sides. So right here to the power 1 over x, we just raised in both sides to the power 1 over x. So we have 81 to the power x, and we also raise left hand side to the power 1 over x. And on the right hand side, we have x to the power 18 raised to the power 1 over x. Okay, what are we going to do next? Of course, we should multiply our powers, because if we have a to the power x raised to the power y, we can write it as a to the power x times y. So we should multiply these powers. Okay, 81 to the power x times 1 over x equal 1. Okay, on the right hand side, we have equal to x to the power 1 over x and over to the power 18. So let's swap these powers. We can do this because of rule of interchange. So let's swap these powers. Okay, right now let's raise both sides to the power 1 over 18. Okay, so let's raise both sides to the power 1 over 18. I just want to group our constant on the left hand side and our variables on the right hand side. Our variables we have right here, but we have this constant. So let's try to group this with the constant, with this 81. So we have 81 to the power 1 over 18, okay, 1 over 18 on the left hand side, equal to this expression to the power 1 over 18. So we have x to the power 1 over x to the power 18, and we raise all of these to the power 1 over 18. Okay, I hope you understand this step, what I'm going to do. First of all, let's look at this parenthesis. If we raise 18 to the power 1 over 18, we can easily cancel this, because this is 1, okay? So we can easily cancel our powers. So as a result, we have 81 to the power 1 over 18 equal to x to the power 1 over x. So this is our first step. We group our constant on the left-hand side, and our variables we grouped on the right-hand side. But let's continue solving. Let's continue to solve this first approach. Okay, so we have 81 to the power 1 over 18 equal to x to the power 1 over x. Okay, right now let's write this 81 as 9 square. Okay, so we have 9 square raised to the power 1 over 18 equal to x to the power 1 over x. Okay, so we can write it in this way. And if you look closely, if you multiply this 2 times 1 over 18, so we can easily do that because we raise this. It looks like that. It looks like absolutely the same situation as right here, okay? So we have 9 to the power 2 times 1 over 18, which gives us 1 over 9, okay? So 9 to the power 1 over 9 equal to x to the power 1 over x, okay? And if you look closely, we have like right here 1 over 9, right here 1 over x. We have 9, we have x. So we have, looks like the same x on both sides of the same. It should be like the same value on both sides, because we have, looks like this. We have the same right here 9 and the same 9 right here. We have x right here and x right here. So one and only way that this equation will have root when 9 equal to x or x equal to 9, because we have absolutely similar expression on both sides. So x equal to 9. This is our first interpretation, this is our first solution, but I want you to look at this second method. Second method is a little bit faster than the first one, and I want you to look at this second interpretation, so the second method. Maybe someone don't like log, so they should solve this according to this interpretation, but who knows log, who like logarithm, you can also apply natural log on both sides. So we have natural log of 81 to the power x equal to natural log of x to the power 18. Okay, natural log of x to the power 18, then the exponent will come down right here, and then come down right here, this exponent. So we have x times natural log 81 equal to 18 times natural log x. Right now, let's group our x's on the left-hand side, our constant on the right-hand side. For that, let's divide both sides by this natural log x. If we divide from here, we cancel this natural log x, so we have x. Let's not divide, let's use cross multiplying right here. So we have right here natural log x over x equal to natural log 81 over 18. Okay, so we just use our cross multiplying. If you multiply it in another way, we will have the same expression as right here. Okay, we will have the same expression as right here. But right now, natural log x over x equal to, let's write this 81 as 9 square. Okay, so we have natural log of 9 square, and let's write this 18 as 2 times 9. Okay, so 2 times 9. These 2 will come down because this is exponent, and according to log property it comes down, so we have equal to, we have 2 times natural log 9 over 2 times 9. We can cancel over 2 because this is a constant behind this natural log. We can't cancel this 9 because this 9 is inside natural log, but doesn't matter. If you look closely, in the beginning we have natural log x over x equal to natural log 9 over 9. And if you look closely, absolutely the same cases right here with the same logic, okay? So natural log x over x, natural log 9 over 9, absolutely the same values, x, and absolutely the same values right here. So one and only case that this equation will have root when x equal to 9. So according to this method, this is like not a good method for students because they don't like logarithm. They say that this is like maybe a little bit better method, but someone like log, I don't know exactly. I prefer this one. This is a faster one. This is like a more understandable for students, so I prefer this method. What about you? What do you think? What method do you prefer? And also there is a third method to Lambert W function. Okay, so this is the third method. It will be like a long video with Lambert W function, but it takes place. You can also solve this question with the Lambert W function, and also if you're interested, I have time, I can solve it for you. So first method according to exponents right here, second method according to log, but let's solve this. I have time, so I can solve this for you. So let's solve this question according to Lambert W function. Maybe someone interested in this method, so let's look at it. Let's solve this. I have time, so also I can solve this for you. Let's write it here. So the third method. We have Lambert W function. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel with Lambert W function, but maybe someone interested in this, you can also watch this part of video. Okay, let's write our expression from this part. Natural log x equal to natural log 81 over 18. Let's use this expression in the third interpretation. So we have natural log x, yeah, so we have natural log x over x equal to natural log 81 over 18. Okay, maybe someone don't know about Lambert W function, but if you have expression like that, x times e to the power x, if we apply Lambert W function from this expression, you will have only our x. So this is for those who don't know about Lambert W function. Right now, we should create our e, because we don't have e on the left hand side, so let's create our e. How can we do this? Let's write this x as e to the power natural log x. Okay, so we have natural log x over e to the power natural log x equal to natural log 81 over 18. Okay, right now we don't have like our denominator right here, so let's bring this expression to our numerator, but with the minus sign, because this is like a power rule right here. We should put minus if we bring our expression from the numerator to numerator. Okay, so we have e to the power minus natural log x, times natural log x equal to natural log 81 over 18. Okay, natural log 81 over 18. Right now, minus natural log x and natural log x, but we should have like the same expression, not with the minus sign, not like plus minus, minus plus. We should have absolutely the same. So we should have minus natural log x in this case also. So we should multiply both sides by minus 1. Okay, so let's do this. By minus 1, let's multiply this. So we have minus natural log x in the beginning, so minus natural log x times this expression times e to the power minus natural log x equal to minus natural log 81 over 18, minus natural log 81 over 18. Okay, let's continue. Let's apply Lambert W function. So finally we can do this. So let's apply Lambert W function right here. On the left hand side, let's apply Lambert W function. And on the right hand side right here, also Lambert W function. So we have only minus natural log x on the left hand side equal to, right here we have Lambert W function of minus natural log 81 over 18. But we want to solve this. We want to solve this question completely. So right now, let's simplify a little bit our expression right here, okay? We have minus natural log x. Let's continue right here. So we have minus natural log x equal to Lambert W function. So Lambert W function of minus natural log 81 over 18. Let's write this according to the same logic. Let's write this expression as minus 2 natural log 9, as I told before, yeah, over 2 times 9. You cancel right here, so we have minus natural log 9 on the right hand side. So we have minus natural log 9. So minus natural log 9. Okay, what are we going to do next? Lambert W function of this expression, so minus natural log 9 over e to the power natural log 9 equal to Lambert W function of minus natural log 9 times e to the power minus natural log 9, which gives us only minus natural log 9. Minus natural log 9. And the last step, minus natural log x, we have right here on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have minus natural log 9, which gives us the final equation, minus natural log x equal to minus natural log 9. And from here, x equal to 9. This is our solution to this challenge. Also absolutely the same that in this method. So we have absolutely the same solution right here, x equal to 9, and also right here. So 3 methods to this challenge. First method, power rules. Second method, logs. And the third method, Lambert W function. Maybe someone interested in this method. So don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Write your suggestion, what method do you prefer, and thank you for your time. See you in the next videos.